Have you ever put two slices of bread into your toaster and noticed that one side comes out perfectly golden while the other is barely toasted? Or maybe one slice is almost burnt while the other is still pale. This is one of the most common toaster problems found in homes. Yet many people replace their toaster without realizing that the issue can often be fixed in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you 7 hidden reasons why your toaster is toasting unevenly and the simple fixes you can try before spending money on a new appliance. Let's get started. Crumbs blocking heat. The most common reason is a buildup of crumbs inside the toaster. Over time, breadcrumbs collect around the heating elements. These crumbs can block heat from reaching parts of bread, causing uneven browning. First, unplug the toaster. Remove the crumb tray and empty it completely. Turn the toaster upside down and gently shake out any loose debris. If you have compressed air, you can carefully blow crumbs out of hard-to-reach areas. Many people are surprised how much better their toaster works after a simple cleaning. Dirty heating elements. Heating elements generate the heat needed for toasting. If grease, crumbs, or dirt collect on certain sections, those areas may not heat properly. Look inside the toaster. The heating wires should glow evenly when operating. If some sections appear dirty or blocked, carefully clean around them with a soft brush after unplugging the appliance. Never use metal tools inside the toaster. Bent bread guides. Inside the toaster are metal guides that hold the bread in the center. If these guides become bent, the bread may sit closer to one heating element than the other. As a result, one side receives more heat and becomes darker. Inspect the bread slots carefully. If the guides look bent, gently straighten them. This simple adjustment can greatly improve toasting performance. Weak heating element. Sometimes a heating element begins to fail. A weak element may still glow, but not produce enough heat. This causes one side of the bread to toast more slowly. Turn on the toaster and observe the heating elements. If one section stays darker than the others, a heating element may be failing. Depending on the toaster model, repair may or may not be economical. Wrong bread position. Believe it or not, bread placement matters. Thin slices can lean against one side of the slot. When this happens, heat is distributed unevenly. Try using bread that fits properly in the toaster and ensure slices sit straight inside the slots. This small habit often improves results immediately. Faulty browning control. The browning control regulates how long the toaster heats. If the control becomes faulty, heat distribution may become inconsistent. You may notice different results every time you toast bread. Try several settings and compare results. If performance changes unpredictably, the control mechanism may need replacement. Internal electrical problem. Older toasters can develop loose connections or worn internal components. This may reduce power reaching certain heating elements. Electrical issues should only be inspected by someone familiar with appliance repair. Always unplug the toaster before any inspection. If your toaster is toasting unevenly, don't rush to buy a replacement. Start by cleaning crumbs, checking the heating elements, inspecting the bread guides, and making sure the bread is positioned correctly. In many cases, these simple fixes restore even toasting and extend the life of your appliance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.